Nathan Adlin here with the Fast Lane car, and coming up next,
the Charger Pursuit. 6 miles to Chicago. We got a full tank of gas, half a pack of cigarettes. It's dark, and we're wearing sunglasses. Get it? They're not gonna catch us.
I love that. That is so cool. Well, thank you.
Kyle, how's my hair?
Looks good.
Thank you, thank you. Welcome to the Fast Lane car.
And this is the brand new 2013 Hyundai Genesis. What, Nathan?
Coupe.
That's right, no longer the Tiburon, but the Coupe, which in itself is confusing because the Hyundai Genesis is a family luxury car that competes with a Lexus.
You know, you really got to take it easy on this car. This is a fast sports car, folks.
Coming up next on the Fast Lane car. And God help you if you ever call a Jeep a car.
No.
Those guys do not like that, right? You Jeep guys out there? All right, I've got the verdict. The pickup alone is 9,080 pounds, and with the trailer we're at 26,060 pounds, giving us a gross weight for the trailer of just under 17,000 pounds. Now you put 4 horses in there, and you're looking at about 21,000, but for the sake of this test, we're at about 17,000 pounds. We got air brakes, right? Tell them what air brakes are.
Air brakes is when everybody opens their door in the moonroof and tries to get dirty, try to get all the resistance of air we can. We'll drop the ramp on the trailer, we'll do whatever we can do. We can't drop the trailer.